Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guide 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Winging It TV, we've got the 2022 Toyota Z4 M40i. Sorry, the BMW Supra M40. Listen, I know the joke is very old, but all jokes aside, the 2022 BMW Z4 M40i. This is the Supra that went to college. And I do think that sometimes, you know, I went to college. It did help me a little bit, I guess. But it's kind of the grown-up Supra that still remains absolutely amazing to drive. And I think I've now determined which one I would buy. And I would stay loyal to the BMW badge and buy the Z4 over the Supra. And we'll get into why that is. Oh, what a cool car. I want to say this is Cognac, or however you pronounce it, I don't really know. This interior is one reason. So kind of the ergonomics of everything and how it all is set up, it's just good. It's really, really good. The Supra, it's a great car. I've spent a lot of time in it. I spent the night with one. It's a really, really good car. Do not get me wrong. But this takes everything that I loved about driving the Supra and makes it a much more livable car. The Supra was good, but it was a little childish. This one, not so much. This one is like a Supra in a suit. But that doesn't mean this thing doesn't like to play. Yeah. These BMW engines, man, they don't mess around. So let's do 3,000 and roll to full. So much torque. It's B58, man. It's one of the greatest engines of all time. I hate to say it. So this is kind of where the Z4 shines. One, it's a convertible, so you have two cars in one. And this soft top is insulated, so the road noise is actually not too bad at all. And then once you're cruising, you have all the luxury amenities of a BMW. You have your heated seats, your heated wheel, the Harman Kardon sound system. It all is there. But then once you really start driving it and pushing it and putting it through its paces, the things I loved about the Supra are still there. Those burbles, the childish playfulness that it has, it's all there. This platform is obviously shared between the two cars, but the Z4, it gets the best of both worlds. It makes it a much better livable car. Do not get me wrong, you want a childish car and you really want to tune it and have that boy racer vibe, go for the Supra. That really doesn't exist here in the Z4. But if you want a Supra but are a little bit ashamed of the fact that you want a Supra and don't want to feel like a 20-year-old with a paycheck, buy the Z4, because you have everything that you love about the Supra in CRX, in this Z4. You have the powertrain, the handling dynamics in a much more sophisticated suit. That. Now keep in mind, I just stepped out of a McLaren, and this thing still feels really, really rapid. The torque is there. It's... Don't get me wrong with what I was saying, how the Supra is childish. This thing has a little devilish side. You know, there's a mullet under that hat. It's a really good car. But when you want to tone it, the Supra never really tones down. This does, and that's why I like it more. Whoa. This one's on Pilot Super Sports. Great tire. I'm a Michelin fanboy. I'm a Porsche guy and a Michelin fanboy. I put Michelins on all my cars. So yeah, this thing, it's so good. It's so good. I can't deny it. This thing is just, man. Yep. I want a Z4, and I want to drive a manual one really freaking badly, because that's the ultimate Z4, I think. Although, you know what? The CF 8-speed suits the characteristics of this car so well that I'm not sitting here asking for a manual. I really just want to try it because how much I like this car. But I think the automatic is probably more suited to this. I don't know. I can't make that assumption until I drive it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.